That's a good idea. Let's get rid of one. They eat too much. Well, it's very simple. We'll get rid of the cat.
Oh, no, you don't. We'll